Hello guys, this is Valentina. I run a travel blog Kooky Loves to Travel, and I moved from Amsterdam to Spain because of more affordable life, sun, sea, mountains, as you can see. Currently we are in Dada, and this is one of the reasons why I started the travel blog and why I love to travel. So I earn money with digital marketing, and I run a few social media accounts, as well as I do some commission work. I also do writing. I write blogs for my clients and for myself, and in the future I hope this will grow bigger as my dreams are getting bigger each day. And also, I don't know. Woohoo!
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 Let's go. It's getting dark.
Let's go! Welcome to La Foradada. This is in Spain, and it's a beautiful hike to stone with a hole inside where you can see beautiful Delta del Ebre. It's the largest wetland in Spain. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. Living abroad for already 5 years. First 4 years I was living in Amsterdam, and now I live in Spain. First time when I came in Spain 2 years ago, I stabbed myself with a banana in the open eye. And this place is one of the reasons why I came to Spain, because of this natural beauty, mountains, crystal clear sea, good delicious food, affordable prices, very nice mentality, which is very similar to Croatian mentality, and more or less that's it. Oh, sun. There's no sun in the Netherlands. In Spain you can always expect to have a sun.
Y confía en poder atenderles de nuevo a bordo. Por favor, permanezcan en sus asientos hasta que el tren se pare por completo y no olviden sus objetos personales. Rogamos presten atención a la distancia entre coche y andén al salir del tren. Gracias por su colaboración. Próxima estación, Madrid, Puerta de Atocha, final de viaje.
So, as I was saying, Madrid has some really huge monuments. So look at this one. As you can see, architecture in Madrid is stunning. So you see many details. One thing I really love about whole Spain is they're really taking care of flowers. So you will see everywhere flowers. Oh, there's even a horse. Wow! That's also Amsterdam-like. I'm having the deja vu right now. Police on horses. everybody, this is Valentina talking to you from Valencia on this amazing sunny day. When somebody asks me why do you travel, I say why not? And this is one of the reasons why I travel. This amazing architectural complex here, which is actually opera, where some musical performances are held on. And this is called a part of the complex, the City of Arts and Sciences, and it's one of the largest architectural complexes in the whole Spain and the largest in Valencia. And this building, what you see, it's like this thanks to concrete. And this is my huge recommendation if you're coming to Valencia, especially if you're an architectural lover, you have to see this. So the old town has some ruins, some ancient buildings, some history, but this is also an amazing piece of architecture that everybody should see. It is designed by Spanish architects, and it is located on the riverbed of Turia River, which was drained because of huge floods that were happening here in Valencia, and the biggest one in 1957. And today the huge park is made, which is a very picturesque and a nice place for family, kids and everybody to enjoy. Valencia is the third largest city after Madrid and Barcelona, and it's one of the oldest cities as well because it's founded by Romans. In Valencia there are 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It's worth mentioning that bike culture is really a big thing in Spain too, especially in Valencia. There are everywhere bike paths, so it's almost similar like in Amsterdam. So you have many of them that are working based on apps. You just register, pay by it, and you can just drive around and tie it somewhere in here. Just be careful that you always tie it to something and that is on a place where you have at least some camera. This building here is Mercado Central in Valencia, the central market, and it's one of the oldest and the longest fresh produce markets in Europe. One important and very interesting thing actually is to mention that it's world first market that accepts online orders, and it actually delivers home. So I think that's amazing thing that Valencian people have in here. When it comes to getting around Valencia, I definitely advise you to rent a scooter, electric one or electric bike. I just wanted to show you this place. It's called Auténtica Comida para Llevar, which means authentic dishes for takeaway. And this is on the crossroads of Carrer streets called Quart and San Miguel. So Carrer de Quart y Carrer de San Miguel. And this place is very affordable, so you can have paella for like €4. It is pre-made though, but it's a nice place in a city center for it. Like in any city, there are some tourist frauds in Valencia, and if you really want to taste the speciality of the city, paella, you have to know a few stuff. So to be sure that you're tasting the real stuff, you have to look for paella for 2 persons. It's always made for 2 persons at least, because of the size of the pan. Paella should be always dry. It's all about the rice, and it should be slightly caramelized on the bottom. So always make sure to check these stuff, and usually preparation takes about half an hour, so if you order a starter you will be just totally fine. Right now we are walking towards El Carmen, which is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Valencia. Why we are walking there? Because Valencia is a special city. It has many graffiti and urban art is very popular here. So you have art in all the sides, everywhere. This is Barrio del Carmen. Costs of living in Spain. Well, I would say that it's very, very affordable. I'm always comparing it to Amsterdam because I just moved in Catalonia maybe 2 months ago, but prices are very, very affordable. The main sites where you can look for place to live is Fotocasa, Idealista, and you can find a flat for 300 to 600 euros, and even a house you can find from 500 to 1000 euros. If you go to a restaurant, the menu for one person, 3-course, will cost just around 10 euros. I mean, it's very, very nice, and hopefully I can buy a property in few years, because me and my boyfriend calculated in just 1 year of paying a rent, actually 1 year and a half, we could already buy a flat here in Spain. Addicted to moving countries and exploring, because I believe each time you move you gain one more new perspective, one new culture, one knowledge that you just cannot get from books or from someone's stories. You just have to experience it by yourself. And Spain is the country that has amazing mentality that is very, very similar to Croatian mentality. Right now I live in Catalonia area, and in Catalonia people speak Catalan, but most of them speak and understand Spanish. And good thing in Catalonia is that they're offering you free courses of Catalan, which is a very basic. I mean, you can take it, it's free, but I believe it's wasting of time, because today with internet you can learn all by yourself at your home. But to be honest, I focused on learning Spanish through a program called Rosetta Stone, and it's very good because it gives a lot of focus to pronouncing the words, which I have a bit problem. Why do I think it's super easy for Balkan people to live in Spain? Well, I don't know if you remember, but I mean, for all who are non-Balkan citizens, in Croatia at least, we had many soap operas. Actually, they were Mexican soap operas, but of course they speak dialect of Spanish language, and we just learn, you know. So when I first came in Spain, I understood all. I could understood more than I could speak, but I could still, you know, hold on to normal conversations. I could ask for the food I wanted. I could ask any question, you know. I couldn't just do philosophical talks like I can do now. But one thing is for sure, Spanish people get a little bit mad if you tell them that these are the Spanish soap operas, because they are not. If you have any question, inquiry, idea for collaboration, or anything like that, you can always send me a message on any of social media, or you can send me a personal message via email, kookylovestotravel@gmail.com, and you can always support me. And you can do that in kookylovestotravel.com, which is my travel blog, and again in any of social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, blog loving, Pinterest. You can find me basically anywhere. And yeah, I hope you like my vlog, and I hope to see you soon. Da 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 da! Hasta luego!